Hey guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World. Today I'm in Asda and you can see on the back of me there is full box of Hot Wheels with 120, so very good price. So let's have a look what we can find inside. Wow, a lot of cars with new casting. Wow, really nice. It's 2020, so it's mixed, but this new one, this new Ford looks really nice. Hundreds of cars, so I just let you know guys later what an interesting find. So guys, about half hour checking this box, you can see 3 baskets, cars sort out, just these cars what I find today. There is 4 treasure hunt, thread shredder, but actually I've got this, I find this car before, so this 4 back to the basket. So someone can just back here and take these cars. There'll be a lot of really nice cars, but there is only cars what I miss in my collection right now. So happy days, these 8 cars add to my collection, and this all 3 baskets back here. That's been really nice tech hunting. We checked all this box about half hour. Just take this nice 8 cars. So guys, thanks for watching, be safe and see you in next video. Bye.